Disturbing news coming in from Pune. 3 people have died after a helicopter crashed in Budruk in Pune. The helicopter crashed due to morning fog in the county area. We are told that the control room of Hinjewadi police station has confirmed the information. That means 2 pilots plus 1 engineer died on the spot. The chopper collapsed about 1.5 kilometers from the helipad near the Oxford golf course. The chopper basically had just dropped NCP State President Sunil Tatkare in Bid and was travelling to pick him up again to Juhu, to Mumbai. So it's been a close shave, clearly for the NCP leader as well, NCP State President Sunil Tatkare. Omkar Woble confirms for the latest on that. Omkar, just for a confirmation, so there was the NCP leader was not there in the helicopter. Meanwhile, this is a ground report that's come in also from Omkar. Let's take a look at that first.
7 बजे पुणे के बावधन से जो हेलीकॉप्टर फ्लाई हुआ था वो यहाँ दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो गया है और क्षतिग्रस्त होने के बाद ये पुर्जे आपको हेलीकॉप्टर के यहाँ पड़े हुए दिखाई दे रहे होंगे। बड़ी बात यह है कि हेलीकॉप्टर कल बीड से आया था ये बावधन में, जहाँ ऑक्सफोर्ड गोल्फ काउंटी जो है इस पहाड़ के पीछे ऊपर जहाँ पे मलबा दिखाई रहे होगा वो रास्ता है और उसके ऊपर हेलीपैड है और हेलीपैड से फ्लाई होने के बाद ही 1.5 किलोमीटर यानी कि 1.5 किलोमीटर आगे के ये हेलीकॉप्टर यहाँ पे क्षतिग्रस्त हो गया। सुबह के वक्त यहाँ पे ड्यू काफी था, विजिबिलिटी क्लियर नहीं थी और अभी तक प्राइमरी रीजन यही बताया जा रहा है कि ड्यू विजिबिलिटी कम थी और उसी के कारण ये क्षतिग्रस्त हो गया। 3 अभी तक शव यहाँ से बरामद किए गए हैं, उसमें से 2 पायलट और 1 इंजीनियर था। कल बीड परली से वो आया था, यहाँ पे रेस्ट थी और उसके बाद वो जुहू यानी कि मुंबई हेलीकॉप्टर जाने वाला था, उससे पहले ही वो क्षतिग्रस्त हो गया है। बावधन के पुणे के बावधन बुद्रुक जो एरिया है वहाँ के पहाड़ों में अभी खड़े हैं और यही का ये सब नजारा है। पुलिस आके जांच कर चुकी है, फायर ब्रिगेड आके गया है। टोटल 8 से 9 फायर ब्रिगेड की गाड़ियां हैं वो यहाँ पहुंच गई है और 3 शव जिन्हें बरामद किया गया है नजदीक के अस्पताल लेके जाएंगे और बाकी की जांच आगे होगी। कैमरा पर्सन गोपाल हंडे के साथ ओमकार वाबले, पुणे।
So right where the incident took place, that's where Omkar is sending us this ground report from. And remember, the 3 people have been confirmed dead. And what a close shave. Basically, the NCP leader, Sunil Tatkare, was dropped by the same pilot and the team in this chopper in Bid. And then basically the team was travelling and heading back to pick him up again for Mumbai. And that's when midway this incident has happened. Terrible tragedy. And remember that with a chopper, with a helicopter, it's very difficult to evacuate as well. And that's why we are told that 3 people confirmed dead, 2 pilots and 1 engineer were in this chopper. We'll try and get more details on this about where exactly did this happen and importantly what happened. If and was morning fog really the reason, something else went wrong, was the weather an issue since the morning as well, could it have been postponed in this case, and we'll try and get the clarity on the identities of the team as well that has passed. Omkar joining me now. Omkar, as we look at these visuals, absolutely horrific and scary, you tell us what exactly happened, when did it happen, what are the details that you're picking up on this?
Incident took place around 7:30 in the morning while helicopter was flying towards Juhu, Mumbai. So as per the primary information given by local police, helicopter was going to pick up Mr. Sunil Tatkare, state president of Ajit Pawar-led NCP. And before that accident took place, exactly 1.5 kilometers away from the exact location and from the helipad, which is located in the near Oxford Golf Course. We call it as the Oxford County. So now 3 bodies have been recovered by the fire brigade. 2 pilots and 1 engineer was traveling from Pune to Mumbai. Yesterday, the helicopter was in Bid that came here for the parking, and after that it was flying towards the Mumbai. And before that, accident took place exactly 1.5 kilometers away from the location. Now, fire brigades, almost 8 to 9 fire brigades car have already been arrived. They are doing the spot inspection, and also agents from the aviation company, which is Heritage Company, they also arrived on the spot. Also, inspection is underway, and they're trying to find out exactly what happened and was there any technical issue in the helicopter. But as per information given by the Joint Commissioner of Police of Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, helicopter collapsed due to heavy fog. And just because pilot did not get any basic information, and he was trying to locate the things, and till then accident took place.